So at first, you see here this overview. On the upper right corner, you see like all the objects that we have in this Blender view. So you can see here, I created like a bunch of objects for this tutorial. So we have like circle 02, circle 03, circle 04. If you would export them right now, we would export like all of them at the same time. So we don't want this. Of course, we only want to export like one of these objects, and we're gonna start with the base of the lamp. So what we have to do is we first have to like click on it. You can select it right this, and we want to select the base of the lamp first. So make sure that this is selected. Then we go to File, Export, and Export STL, and this brings up this window here. So first we give it a file name. I called it like meshbase.stl. Then what is important, we have to click this checkbox on selection only. This makes sure that like not all of the available meshes are exported, but only this one mesh that we just selected gets exported. And next is the scale factor that we have to choose. So the units that we used here in Blender are in centimeters, while the Prusa slicer software will understand them as millimeters. So we have to scale everything up by the factor of 10. All right, now we click on export. It will get saved as a file. So we return back to our Blender working environment. And next is we select the lamp shade. And we repeat the same process again. We go to File, Export, and export as an STL. We get, of course, a different file name. So I called it meshshade.stl. We keep all the parameters that we selected here, so only selection only, scale is 10, and then rewrite it into a file.